open the January bargain bead box for you and show you what's inside. This one is all about the color blue this time. And you get your nice little piece of paper here that has the identification key on the back, and each bag is numbered. So I will pour this out just so you can see the quantity, and then I will separate them out so we can go in order and to see exactly what is in here. Now, when you get your package, just make sure that you get 30% off your order this month with the sister store. So you just go to Beadbox Bargains and you can use the code that they give you and get 30% off of whatever you want to order at that store. Also, if you're a new subscriber and it's your first box, you can use the code GGC2 and you will get $2 off of your first box for your subscription. Comes in this nice little bag here, and I'm just going to dump it out. And right away, see that there's a lot of really pretty blues in here. So I've laid them all out, and number one is a 45 by 30 millimeter chandelier focal component. So let's look and see what that looks like. It's a nice big focal that would make some really pretty, you could put some dangles on there. That's nice. And all of these are in antique copper this time. This is number two. Number two is 10 grams, 16 millimeter scrolled flower links. So let's look at these. Oh, those are really pretty links. Let me get you closer. Yeah, those are nice. And like I said, antique copper, so they all match, so you can use all these pieces, all these components together. Number three is 3 sets of 2 millimeter teardrop toggle clasps. Let's see what that is. I don't think I've had a teardrop shaped toggle. Oh, those are cool. Aha. Yep, I like that. Look at those. Cute, cute. Nice. Toggles can really make your piece. If you have a cool toggle, kind of just brings your piece to a whole new level. 7-inch strand, 4 millimeter finely faceted lapis lazuli round beads. So this is a gemstone. Let's see if we can get it out here. Come on, come out. And see how it has the little gold flecks in it? It's really pretty. It's nicely faceted. Nice little gemstone. That's number 4. Number 5 is 4-piece 27 millimeter teardrop chandelier findings. So those would make really cool earrings or a pendant even. Nice. Put those back away. And then we've got number 6 is 6-inch strand, 4 millimeter crystal coin beads. No, I don't think this is number 6 because it is not coin beads. But this one is, so that's number 9. This is number 6. These are cute. I can already tell I'm going to like these. Oh, look at those. They're sparkly and they're little flat coin crystals. Huh. Interesting. I like that. That's different. Should go on the sister site and get a bunch of those. Those are cool. Okay. Number 7 is 5-piece 12 millimeter crystal oval matte window beads blue iris. Let's see. Oh, yeah, those are cool. Look at that. Those are really cool. I like those. We have to go get some more of those too. And then number 8 is a chandelier focal, 38 millimeter. Let me get it out of here. That's a pretty one. That'd be really cool to put a little crystal in the middle of that. And then dangle some off. And yes, that would be really cool. That's nice. And the components that you get with this box, they're always really nice. They're just really nice components. So that was number 8. Number 9 is the one I tried to open earlier. 10 grams, 5mm bumpy spacer beads. So there's the bumpy spacer beads. Get them close so you can see. Spacer beads are always good. Metal beads, always good. Okay. Number 10 is 7.5-inch strand of 8mm agate beads, royal blue. Those are pretty agate beads. Very nice. So another gemstone. Very pretty. And then 11 is 1 meter, 5.7mm Figaro steel jewelry chain. Figaro, not Figaro. I put the wrong emphasis on the wrong syllable. There we go. That's pretty. Very pretty. And that's Figaro chain, guys. Alright. Put it back in there. Okay, 12. 8-inch strand, 8x6mm crystal rundell beads, matte midnight metallic. Well, those are pretty. That would be cool to wear with a pair of jeans if you had a little necklace or bracelet or something. That'd be kind of cool. Okay. 12. Now we need number 13, which is approximately 45mm agate teardrop pendant, true blue. This is huge. Oh, that's really pretty too. Let's see if I can put it to where you can kind of see the light coming through it. Probably not. My lamps reflect so badly. But it has kind of that crazy agate look to it. That's pretty. That's a big pendant, guys. Big piece of gemstone. Number 14. 9-piece 15 by 12mm dotted flower charms. So let's see what these look like. Oh, cool. Yeah, those are pretty cool. Nice. And then number 15 is 5-piece, approximately 17mm handmade porcelain glass twist beads. Porcelain is always nice to have too. Oh, those are nice. Those are cool. I like the way porcelain feels. And there's another one in here. I didn't show you all 5, but you know, you saw 4. There we go. Number 16, 6.5-inch strand, approximately 5mm Xinjiang, I'm not really sure how to say that, turquoise Heshi beads. Those are neat. I like Heshi beads. They're cool. That's a pretty color too. And then we are going to get number 17 out. Number 17 is a 15-inch strand, 6mm agate round beads, midnight blue. So this is like the other one, except for it's a different color blue, but this is agate also. And look at all the striations in it. That's really pretty. Oh, nice. And then number 18 is 50-piece 5.5 star bead cap. Now, I haven't had time to actually put together anything with the bargain bead box lately. And I know last month everybody wanted me to put something together because it was a little different combination. And I still intend to. I'm just really, with all these bead boxes, I really haven't had a time. But I am designing a couple of pieces, and those will be coming up. So you won't just be seeing the bead box reviews on my channel. There are other things coming up. And I promise I'll get to them as quickly as I can. And we'll have some other things instead of just bead boxes, which are fun, but we need some pieces too. So I'll do a finished jewelry thing, and I'll also do some tutorials. So I'm designing something right now, and it should be up in a couple days. So this is what you get in the Bargain Bead box, and this is the January subscription box. I hope you've enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.